Welcome to the Crypto Buzz by Kalkine. I'm Sage, and today's show is going to focus on the macro factors that have been impacting the crypto market this week, with a focus on Bitcoin. And we'll also deep dive into REQ, Request Network Token, which surged to reach an all-time high at the end of November. And the trends in cryptos at the moment show that cryptos that focus on digital payments, NFTs, play-to-earn games, as well as live streaming protocols are all more and more in demand. And trends can be a way to segment your watch list so you're able to keep a closer track of the cryptos that are in focus at the moment and allow you to investigate into why. And since the announcement of Facebook's name change to Meta, it seems the Metaverse and Web 3.0 tokens will become more popular into 2022. So keep watching till the end to find out more. Now, ever since last Saturday's crash, when Bitcoin dumped from $58,000 US to $42,000 US, the asset has been unable to reclaim the $50,000 level despite trying on multiple occasions, including Sunday, just gone, when it did sneak past the $50,000 US level. But overnight it slid down to $46,945, and at the time of writing during the Asian mid-session, it's down 3.77%. Its market cap has also declined due to the lower prices, but it's still above $900 billion. The price has been stuck in a range and moved between $46,000 and $51,000 US in the last 10 days, after its steep dip on the 4th of December, where the price dropped $12,000 in virtually a few hours. Ethereum is struggling as well to maintain afloat, with its price lingering around the $4,000 level Tuesday morning until a dip to $3,786 today during the Asian mid-session. Monday, the 13th of December, saw many altcoin faves being down significantly. Solana down 24.2%, Cardano down 25%, Polkadot, Avalanche all down about 20% according to CoinMarketCap, and this has carried on into today with a sea of red still apparent for most of the crypto coins. Now, without a doubt, Bitcoin has become more resilient over the years, with more demand from the customers of the institutional investors, leading to more testing of crypto platforms and development of products, which could provide for more revenue-making opportunities into the future. And although to the retail investors, these flash crashes are shaking them to the bones, with the fear and greed index being the lowest it's been since July this year, sitting at 16 over 100, a level indicating extreme fear. However, fund managers and financial services companies still view the crypto sector to have bullish elements, meaning they don't see $68,500 to be the highest level for Bitcoin in this cycle in US terms. One of the most pivotal events on Bitcoin's blockchain is halving. It induces inflation in the cryptocurrency's price by reducing the number of Bitcoin in circulation and increasing demand for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is based on the principle of scarcity, only having 21 million coins available to be mined. And Bitcoin halving, which halves the rewards miners are paid for mining Bitcoin, last happened in May 2020 and happens every 210,000 blocks, which has been approximately every 3 to 4 years since its inception, and they have coincided with boom and bust cycles, 2017 being a bust and 2020 being a boom cycle. Now, halving the reward for mining Bitcoin transactions impacts the Bitcoin hash rate, and similarly to what happened when Chinese government regulations prevented Chinese crypto miners to continue operations in the middle of 2021. A drop in hash rate caused a plunge in the price of Bitcoin, and the miners of Bitcoin will continue to receive rewards through to the year 2140, when the limit of 21 million coins is most likely reached. Now, we've reached the time for a short break, but after the break we'll take a look at more of the macro triggers to impact the markets as well as REQ tokens, so please stay with us. Hi, I'm Sage, and get ready to take the crypto ride with me on Kalkine TV. Watch the Crypto Buzz every Tuesday and join the excitement at Kalkine TV. From Bitcoins to NFTs to Dogecoin and DeFi, we have updates about everything around these digital currencies. Understand the investing rationale and the risks involved in the space with me, Sage, on Crypto Buzz. Keep watching Kalkine TV. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Crypto Buzz by Kalkine TV. I'm Sage. And last week, the Chinese real estate firms Evergrande and Kaiser defaulted on the US dollar bond payments they were due to pay, causing a dip in stocks and crypto markets. And the macro triggers for this week will be the United States Federal Reserve and its next announcement on the state of its asset purchase program. Valuable insights are expected from the Federal Open Market Committee, and the future of quantitative easing and the rate of tapering asset purchases will be discussed. Will the US slow down its bond buying program, concluding it in March instead of June? The anticipation of the decision's impacts were felt in the crypto and traditional markets on Monday. As Cointelegraph reported, this meeting has the potential to be more disruptive to crypto markets than the consumer price index data released last week, showing the highest US inflation data since 1982. Stablecoins have increased a great deal, from just $5 billion being invested into them in January of 2021 to close to $150 billion being invested in December of 2021. And big news from Myanmar, with the non-regulated stablecoin Tether being instated as the legal tender of Myanmar. Investment into DeFi has also increased from $1 billion in January 2021 to total value locked being close to $100 billion in December 2021. So it seems a barrage of liquidity is being plunged into a slather of new products in this new user-owned economy of DeFi. A popular view from players in the space is short on the banks and long on DeFi. However, many are also on the view that a crypto winter could be looming, with a big correction due for the market soon. And although HSBC and Wells Fargo, two major global banks, are all set to use blockchain technology to settle Forex transactions, and German savings bank Sparkasse announcing that they may be ready to offer a crypto wallet where their customers can sell and buy cryptos direct from their checking accounts, the Bank of Russia has made moves to ban mutual funds from investing in Bitcoin. It was reported by Crypto Potato. Project Atom is Australia's new initiation towards the development of a central bank digital currency, which could reduce transfer costs for small businesses. And many small island nations, such as Palau in Papua New Guinea and even the Marshall Islands, have CBDC projects in development, with the Marshall Islands project being set to be developed on Algorand's network. Now on to Request Network, or REQ, is able to detect payments on other blockchains through its payment request protocol. They've been developing applications for invoices, salaries and expenses for many businesses through interoperable functionalities, and almost every month REQ sets a new all-time high due to intense progress. The network growth is strong, its flexibility is an attractive factor. Because the protocol allows for interoperability, users can choose to switch between networks. Request D Apps is highly successful, which has over 850 clients, which through the network are able to bill and pay in a compliant manner through crypto. And many DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations, use the Request Network protocol functions such as Aave, MakerDAO, Near Protocol, Phantom, and the Sandbox, just to name a few. Request Network also works well with Ethereum's ERC20 tokens to detect payments, as well as Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. Now, the most recent all-time high was set late November for REQ when it reached $1.03 on the 27th of November. October was a huge month for REQ. It launched with Cello Network and Near Protocol, and Request.finance launched the request payment feature as well as a fiat to crypto feature. So plenty happening there for the Request Network. Request is down today, however, during the mid-market session by about 10%, being at about $0.4196 and over the last 30 days, it is up 93%. Over the last year, wait for it, it's up about 1,601%. So a lot happening with this protocol, and the team behind it seem pretty enthused by what they're planning to be releasing over the next few months. So do keep an eye on their Twitter page, their Reddit feed, their Medium, their Discord, and just find out for yourself what's going on with this protocol. You can also look up news articles on them too. May the reckoning continue, as they are supporting the launch of DeFiCreators.com, where Web 3.0 builders will be flocking to get involved with new ideas and projects. And one of the most popular Metaverse tokens on the REQ network is the Sandbox, SAND, especially now with the Alpha Metaverse being explored by users at this time. Now the Sandbox and Request are joining forces, and this is instigating interest in Request price predictions. Sandbox is developing rapidly. It's focused on preparing for its full rollout. And as always, this information is meant for educational purposes and not really meant as financial advice. Let's finish off with a little bit about Elon Musk, the richest man in the world. Not surprisingly, crypto Lothario and electric vehicle Diane is Time Magazine's Person of the Year for 2021. And Time magazine said, in their own words, he's a player in robots and solar cryptocurrency and climate brain-computer implants to stave off the menace of artificial intelligence and underground tunnels to move people and freight at super speeds. So plenty of strings to his bow. Musk's tweets have a significant impact on the crypto market and is probably the reason why Dogecoin is more well known amidst the masses than Ethereum, a recent poll revealed. So thanks for joining us on another episode of Crypto Buzz. I look forward to the next time, and till the next episode, may the hodling continue. Sage signing off for now.